Hello guys, myself Chaitali and you are watching Dear Coders. In this video, you will learn about HTML elements and attributes. So let's begin. Now we will see about the elements and attributes with respect to the code. So in the last video, you have seen this basic code in the HTML. So here h1 is the start tag, then like backslash h1 is the end tag, and this is the content. So as we have seen, it consists of start tag, end tag, and the content. So there are some elements which are not having some content and the end tag. So they are called as the empty tag. So this is the example of that empty tag. So this can be written like this also. So it backslash is not there. So this we will see like how it will look on the front end. So basically HR tag means it's the horizontal line. So if we have to divide the page, so we can use of this tag. So we'll go to that path. And we have to just double click so it will open. So this is the h1 tag, then we have added this two hr tags so that are represented by this horizontal line. Then coming about the attributes, so anchor tag in the html is having the attribute as the href. So we'll first start the anchor tag, then end that anchor tag, and it will have some content. So we'll see, like click here. So this anchor tag is having the attribute as the href. So this basically defines that where it should be linked to. So we will just now write the Google URL. So now we'll save the code and now we'll go to the website and just refresh. So that click here content is there, and the link whatever we have added, that will be like when we click on this, it will open that. So see, like Google is open. So here it is open in the same tab. So if we have to open that URL in the new tab, then there is the another attribute like target. So we have set, we can set the target to the new tab. So we will write the blank, like underscore blank. We will see about these attributes in the further videos when we will see the different elements in the HTML. So we'll save this. Now we'll see how it will look. So the design will be same, but when we click on this, it will open in the new tab. So this is the beauty of the target attribute. So yeah, we'll see about the more attributes in the further upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll catch up in the next video.